improving environmental management, mitigating the effects of climate change, implementing technology for the agriculture of the future, guaranteeing maritime security, and ensuring public safety in the event of a humanitarian crisis. All this and much more is Copernicus, Europe's 25-year-old Earth observation programme, in which GMV has been actively and deeply involved since its inception. We play an important role in contributing to Copernicus security and emergency management services. The programme provides accurate and free information in near real time, allowing early warning and impact assessment of natural disasters and humanitarian crises. Our advanced knowledge of geospatial technologies reaches all of society through Copernicus services. At GMV, we develop groundbreaking solutions to monitor natural resources, conserve biodiversity and key ecosystems of our planet, and contribute to the economic development of society. We put the talent of our professionals and technology at the service of society.